Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Been under the weather, still trying to recover from that, but I want to come on here real quick, show you all what I purchased from the new Coach release. Didn't purchase anything from Coach Black Friday, but I did purchase something from the Michael Kors, so I will be uploading that video real soon. So let's get into this video. Let's see what I purchased from this new release. I'm so excited about this, so let's get into this video. So this is the Evelyn Shoulder Bag in that shiny smooth leather, and I love the detail. It has the diamond shaped pattern on this bag, and it also has the gold hardware right here, the Coach logo in that gold hardware. The thing that I'm liking about this bag right here, it do have a zipper top opening. You have your two shoulder strap right here. It also have the gold Coach horse and carriage right here. And like I said, I'm loving the zipper top closure on this bag right here. So that's how it's look when you zip it. So let's see how the inside looks. Okay, so this is how the inside look. It has that burgundy inside. Hope you all can see this inside real good. So you have the Coach Creed right there, and you have two slots on the front right here. So yes. So it has the Coach tag right here. So this is what I've been holding out for the Evelyn Shoulder Bag. So this bag right here do resemble the Chanel bag. So yes, but without the Chanel price. So yes. Let me bring her closer again so you all can get a real good look. You have that diamond quilted pattern. This is the tag. So they do have the larger size, and this is the regular size. Yeah, I can't stop playing with this bag. I absolutely love this bag. Like I said, I was holding out for this bag right here. Okay, so I did purchase the cherry pieces to go with this bag. So I have the cherry and the wristlet, and it do have the Coach Go logo right here. Hope you all can see the cherries real good on this. Okay, so this interior is the same color that's inside the bag as well. You all want another real good look at the cherries. I also have the wallet, and it has that same interior. And of course, I had to get the pencil case. And it has Coach right there. So this is everything that I picked up from the new Coach release. So if you all enjoyed this video on today, please give me a like, give me a share, subscribe to One Habit 84. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you all will know every time I upload a video.